See how I changed my dining room from this to this.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Annie Beeps Diary. Thank you very much for joining me in today's edition. So, today I want to share something very important. So, first of all, let me just give you the background. So, what happened was in my plan for renovations, home renovations for my home in 2025, my plan was to redesign our entryway because a lot of clutter goes on there. We just come in, drop our caps, our jackets, and it's all over the place. And I wanted to do something nice for the place. So as I was trying to design the entryway, I came across ads about home designing using AI. So I was like, okay, why not give it a try? And so I tried doing it. If you have not watched the video, it's on Instagram. So I actually shared that design on Instagram, and it's very funny, the way these AI apps have been designed to help us actually to solve our design dilemmas. So it's actually a very good thing to use, a very good tool to use if you are maybe in a rut, you don't know what to do, you're thinking of ideas, you're constantly brainstorming. So it actually comes in handy. So, but today I am not sharing the entry with you. If you want to watch my entryway design, then you have to please like this video and also subscribe to my channel so that you would be aware of when I'm completing the design. So for today, I just want to share with you something else. So after making the design on my entryway, I kind of like, okay, let me just try our dining room because out of curiosity, let me just try something different. And so I cleaned up our dining space, took the chairs out of the way and the table, and took a picture of the room because when you're designing with the AI apps, you just have to take a picture of the room or you make a sketch. So I took a picture of the room and then I uploaded it to I think about two or three AI apps. I'm just going to be sharing that with you. I hope that you sit back and enjoy. If you have not liked this video and subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so so that my channel can grow. Thank you very much. And so let's get right into the action.
So the first app that I downloaded was called Remodel AI, and I'm only going to be using the free plan for this design. So when you have your Play Store, go to the Remodel AI and download it onto your phone, and then sign in with your Google account. So once I am into my Google account, I click on the load image, and then I upload the image of my space that I want the AI to design for me. The interface of this AI app is very easy to use. I am just navigating the preset styles. I have modern, contemporary, so many styles. And so I click on modern and I have this design at the end of the day. So I noticed that some of the AI apps do not take to account the structure of the room that you're putting into the app. Some of them actually make big structural changes like this one. Although the room was well designed, the furniture selection is superb, but then the fact that windows are misplaced, it's a thing of concern. Here is another image that does not even have a window at all. So that's one thing to keep in mind when you're using AI to design your room spaces. There would be mistakes here and there will be things to adjust here and there.
Now, a lot of people are of the opinion that AI is going to take over our jobs, it's going to reduce human value, there'll be nothing for humans to do anymore. Well, this design that I did just kind of negates that mindset or those kind of thought pattern or statements because you still need humans actually to navigate the AI and make sure it does the work that you want it to do. Kind of like you're at the end of it and you want AI to do what you want it to do. It's a bit tricky, but it's very, very interesting. So I went into the design app again and tweaked my prompts. It's called prompts. I tweaked it here and there so that it can give me exactly what I wanted.
And that is designing a dining room for a family of four. I wanted floor plans and some wall art, and also, if possible, a side table. Let's see what it brings out this time around.
So even though our dining space is not a very big space, we just have a dining table for four. That's a family of four, and also we use the dining space actually for art and craft. If you've ever seen me and the kids doing some art and craft, so this is a space where we use for it. So I wanted AI to design something that has like a storage area for me just beside the dining, so that we can store some of our craft materials. So let's see whether this app would actually give me exactly what I.
It usually takes about 1 or 2 minutes or even less max because it's pretty fast app. Now see what it gives me. Putting the window on the wrong side of the room. Well, I just have to manage through. It's just that there are so many ideas that this app has generated for me for wall art. Examples like this are what I'm going to put into consideration when I'm eventually designing my dining room. A good thing about some of the apps also is that you can actually correct the mistakes that the app makes. So for this design, for example, I want to remove the window or the door, whatever that may be, from this side of the room to the proper place where it's supposed to be. So I clicked on remove object because there are different options you can actually click on. So I clicked on remove object and then I told the app what to do. And so this is a trying to remove the window from there and just maybe cover it up. Let's see what it's going to do. So at the end of the day, I found out that it just covered the window up for me with a wall and I just have this design, the same design again without my original window. Well, I am done with this app at this point in time. I just want to check other apps to see what it's going to give me, or maybe I'm going to get my dream design. So another app store that I went to get AI app. This one is called New Room, and this one is also very easy, user-friendly, simple interface. So I just logged in with my Google account once again, and then I chose the room style. I uploaded the photo of my room space, that is my dining space that I wanted to design for me, and I also selected the property style. So I'm pretty positive about this one because of previous use of it, using it to design my entryway. And so I just selected that I want my dining room to be redesigned, and I selected a theme that I want, which was modern design. And so at the end of the day, it took about 1 or 2 minutes again to generate the design, and it gave me this one. Wow, look at this design. Very beautiful. I just like the fact that the side tables are shoved off to different sides of the wall and they are not even occupying a lot of space. They are thin in width. The wall art also are very beautiful and they are placed on the side tables. Oh wow, and I love the flower vases. Nice, very, very nice. This is a good design. The chairs, I love the selection of the chairs. I love the color and even the carpet on the floor. Oh my God, this is really beautiful. This is a good design to actually be inspired by. Wow, nice. This is very nice. Do you like this design, guys? Oh my God, this is really beautiful. There are a lot of details that you can actually incorporate from there. Just be inspired by it. I love the floor lamps. There's so many details. I like the fact that the chairs are actually dark colored. For example, the chair we have currently is light colored and it's a lot of work to keep it clean. So this is a very good inspiration. So thank you very much if you made it this far watching this video. I really appreciate you. Please do well to like and subscribe to my page, to my channel. I really would love to see you again because I'm going to be sharing some other room designs, especially my entry. I'm going to be completing it very soon. So thank you once again for joining me in today's design and thank you for watching this far. So I will see you next time. Bye for now.